How to notch someone on TikTok. In order to do so, you may follow up these simple steps. So open up your TikTok application and then basically log in into your account if you are not logged in, and you should be finding this For You page. Now what you need to do is simply go ahead and locate up the inbox section from the bottom tab. So we have home, friends, inbox, and profile. Click on inbox. After going to inbox, you need to go ahead and select up the user that you would like to notch. So go ahead and open up your chats and head over to user. And then once you head over to the user, in the very bottom right above the message inbox, you should be finding heart, smile, laugh icon. And right at the side, you should be finding a notch option. This one right here. All you gotta do is simply tap on that option like this, and you will basically notch that person. So that person can also notch you back, and you should basically do it. So that is how you basically do it. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.